Six Sigma is a management philosophy that began in Motorola. The main focus of Six Sigma is to reduce defects to near zero. This approach is very complementary with Lean since it seeks to improve customer satisfaction and the bottom line. This is accomplished through improved decision making based on data. Another similarity with Lean is that Six Sigma embraces the DMAIC methodology, which relies on cross-functional teams of empowered people to collect and analyze data before implementing change. These teams utilize statistical methods to identify and improve processes. The end result is the reduction of waste through the elimination of defects. The basic premise of Six Sigma is that variation is the enemy of excellence. Being able to measure the amount of variation and how that variation changes over time allows you to determine whether or not you're in control. Also, comparing how much variation you have in comparison to what the customer wants or needs allows you to establish the overall quality of your product or service. Lean Six Sigma Black Belts are trained in the statistical methods and data interpretations that you find during these projects. These statistical tools support the evaluation of data that's collected during a project and, with proper interpretation, allow the team to identify root causes of problems and thereby implement process changes that result in lower defect rates. Six Sigma allows you to get away from the management by the seat of your pants. It allows you to make data-driven decisions for difficult questions that you have to answer on a daily basis. Questions like, is my process in control, or am I meeting my customers' requirements, are basic management questions that need to be answered affirmatively. The Six Sigma methodology allows you to answer those questions proactively before your customer feels the pain of a defect in your product or service. At the Mush Rush Group, it's our philosophy to use Lean principles first and remove waste from the process. Once the waste is removed, we can then use the Six Sigma tools to remove the variation from the Lean process. We also believe that you can't control what you don't measure, although it's important to state that you don't have to measure everything and you don't have to control everything. You only have to control those things that you deem to be critical to ensuring quality in order to meet your customers' expectations. By driving the variation out of those critical parts of your process, you'll reduce defects, which will improve your customer satisfaction. It'll reduce your rework and it will increase your bottom line. Another point that I'd like to make is allow professionals to help you. There are many well-known stories of companies who have attempted to implement Lean Six Sigma and make the wrong decisions simply because they've misinterpreted, misapplied, or misunderstood the specific Six Sigma tools that they've tried to apply. The use of Six Sigma is powerful. Reduction in variation leads to reduced defects, which increases your customer satisfaction and your bottom line. We at the Mush Rush Group stand ready to help you on your Six Sigma endeavor. Thanks for listening.